all these textures. This is, let me see, these two are from big tree trunks, different trees. This one is from on top of a rock. This one is from a dried palm tree leaf, like the big part, the woody part. This one is from a palm tree trunk. I did this one on top of a lemon tree leaf. This one is from a seashell. And this one, I got it from wood I found. I think this one I did it on top of a big blob of cement that had some seashells on it. Look how colorful it turned out. I would love to see some of your arts today.